A very warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning students. Welcome back to the students of Standard 8. Let's continue with our prose chapter, Unit 1.4, Revati's Musical Plants. In the previous video, we have discussed about Revati's musical plant. We discussed about Revati as a character in this prose chapter. We understood that Revati was very fond of music. Her hobby was music. She loved music so much that even her plants enjoyed the music that she used to play. She always used to sit in her courtyard and used to play music for her plants. One day she decides to take part in a best plant contest that was going to be held in her colony, and she started preparing for the competition. She started watering the plants since the plants were looking very dull. She started watering her plants where she remembered her school days where her teacher told her that plants need ample of sunlight. So she brought all her plants where the plants receive ample of sunlight, and um, therefore the plants were growing healthier, and after few days the plants started giving beautiful and lovely flowers. One day what happened, one day prior to her competition, she was getting good sleep, but she was thinking about the competition, she was thinking about the plant, she was thinking about her beautiful flowers. And the next day it was very important for her, and the next day when she got up, she went to her courtyard, seeing for her plants, but she was surprised that the plants were missing. She asked her mother, but her mother was not at all aware about the about the plants at all. Since Revati has kept as a secret, she did not tell any of her family members. She did not tell anyone about the secret she was sharing with her plants, and therefore her mother was not aware about which exactly and what exactly uh, which plant she was talking about. But then they had a small conversation where they understood that some neighbors had come one day previous afternoon, and then Revati was very upset. She was missing her plants. So in the second half we will complete the chapter today. In the second half we will see whether she takes part in the contest, or whether she uh, gives up, whether she searches, whether she search her lovely plants, or whether what all things she do, we'll see in the second half. Let's continue with our prose chapter, page number 18. I hope you all are having a pencil. Revati's grief knew no bounds. Grief means sorrow. No bounds means no limits at all. She was so upset. She was feeling so sad about the plants. She went around asking everyone of her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants. She asked her neighbors whether they have seen her plants, but her neighbors replied that no one had seen any of her plants. She could not lodge a complaint for a pot of plants, and it was not possible to lodge a complaint for such a small pot of plants. We often can't complain if our toys are missed, we um, if someone has robbed a pot of plants. So she could not even lodge a complaint for a pot. She felt as though everything was lost. She felt that, oh my god, now I have nothing. So she felt that everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed her plant. She did not wanted to win the prize at all, but the main important thing was she wanted her plants back because she was really missing her plants. She had grown very fond of them. They were her friends who enjoyed her music. Okay, so her plants had become her best friends, and she was really missing them a lot. That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to attend. So on that very day, there was a prize distribution ceremony of the best plant contest, and she did not wanted to go because her pot of plant was robbed. It was stolen by someone, and she did not wanted to attend it at all. But her friends forced. Her friends means her real friends. Okay, her friends, not the plants, her real friends forced her to attend a prize distribution ceremony. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Now she went to that prize distribution ceremony where um, all on a bench, all various contestants had uh, put down different types of plants over there, displayed all such potted plants. So she went there. Revati was shocked. Let's see why Revati was shocked. There was her pot of plant on a bench. So she found that on that bench she was having a her own pot of plant that she used to water it. Okay, there was a pot of plant on a bench with the name of a distant neighbor of hers, as the competitor written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. So we see that when Revati reached the prize distribution ceremony, she was walking, she was observing all the displayed potted plants, and what she saw, that she was shocked. She saw that her pot of plant was displayed, and the name on it was of a distant neighbor. So maybe her distant neighbor must have stolen her pot of plant. She was very upset. She was surprised that my neighbor has robbed that plant. Okay, and on that plant, a small piece of card, the neighbor's name was written on that piece of paper, and it was placed in the soil. Okay, page number 19. She knew it was her pot of plant. She went to the organizers of the show and told them about it. So we see that she was 100% sure that that pot of plant was her, because such a close bond she had with the plant that she was 100% sure that that pot belongs to her. She went to the organizers. The organizers are the one who organized, who had organized the organized that contest. And Revati went near the organizer and told them about it. The organizers were not convinced. They said, how can you prove that the plants are yours? So the organizers were not at all convinced, and they said that how can you prove that the plants are yours? Often we sometimes come across a problem, or sometimes we see that it is sometimes when something is robbed. Okay, for example, say a pen, and you are 100% sure that it is your pen. Okay, and you go and tell your teacher or your tuition teacher that, ma'am, this is my pen. But sometimes even the teacher cannot 100% believe you. Similarly, the organizers were not at all convinced, and the organizer asked her that how can you prove that the plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. So the organizer told Revati that the lady who had submitted this pot of plant is a regular participant. How can we doubt her? Revati wondered how to convince them. So the organizer said that this participant is a regular participant. So how can we doubt her? So Revati wondered how to convince this organizer. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plant. So she sat there and she was thinking now how to convince, how to prove that these plants are mine. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. Flashed means a hit. She suddenly remembered that my plants loved the music that I played. She told the organizer that she could prove the plants were her. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with her violin in, they started laughing. Okay, so she remembered that plants loved music, so she told the organizer that I will definitely prove that these plants are mine. She ran home. She brought her violin. She, as soon as she entered with her violin, all people started laughing because that was not a competition of music. Okay, that was best plant contest, and therefore all people started laughing, saying and all over talking to each other, saying that is she mad, this is not a music competition, why did she get a violin. We'll see in the next paragraph, next half of the story, why were people laughing at her and how did she prove that those plants were hers. So Revati gets a violin, and let's see how do people treat her in the next half. But they ridiculed did not deter her from her mission. Okay, the people ridiculed her, they laughed at her, but it did not discourage Revati at all because her main mission was to prove that those plants were mine. So people were laughing, people were cracking jokes, but it did not even 1% also did not even discourage her at all. She told them, I know my plants and I share a secret with them. She told the people around, those who were present in the contest, she told the people that I share a secret bond with my plants. My plants are music lovers like me, and you could see how they respond when I play to them. Okay, she was trying to convince the people that you all don't know how what kind of secret I share with my plants, and my plants love the music I play, and you all will see how they respond to my music. They all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. So all people who were present, they started laughing and they were saying that they had never heard that plants enjoy music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? So the people started questioning her. The people started um telling her that do plants have ears like us so that they can listen to your music? No one believed her. She felt very dejected. She felt very sad, but was determined to win her plants back. But she was very much positive. She was very much determined that she somehow wants to prove that those plants were her. Okay, she sat near her plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. So what was her favorite raga? I hope you all remember her favorite raga. Mohanam. Okay. Mohanam was her favorite raga, and even the plants enjoyed that raga. So she started playing one of her favorite raga that the plants even loved it. So she sat beside her plants and she started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forgot her plants for a time, but others could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Okay, so um, when Revati was playing her favorite raga, she was so into that music, engrossed means a lot deep into that music, that for a time she forgot about the plants. But the people around her, they were uh, literally concentrating on that plant. Okay, straight at first they bend slightly, so people were observing whether these plants are having any minute changes, whether they are moving. So they were very into that plant. They were observing that plant very carefully. As she played on and on, their stems bent towards Revati, and though they wanted as though as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. So as soon as she started playing, the stems were bending towards Revati, as though the plants wanted to touch Revati in her happiness. Okay, as if the plants were missing Revati, and even the plants wanted that Revati should identify that those are her plants only, and even the plants were missing Revati. Such kind of bond was created by Revati and her plants. The organizers were stunned. The organizers were shocked. How come the plants were responding to her music? Okay, even the organizers were stunned. Stunned means shocked. Okay, let's move to the last paragraph, page number 20. They had watched a new phenomena of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. Before before Revati discovered about it, all people present over there were laughing at her. But once the plants responded back to Revati's music, they started believing that yes, plants do respond to music. A phenomena means fact. Okay, they all applauded her means they all started praising her, clapping for her, and said they were convinced that the plants were her. So at last the believed people were convinced that the plants were her. They pulled her neighbor up for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plants. Okay, so they pulled her neighbor for cheating, and the neighbor was not at all ready to accept her mistake at all. After a long argument, at last she accepted a mistake. She said that yes, I had stolen, her neighbor had stolen Revati's plants. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. So her neighbor said that yes, while I was observing the plants past many days, and one night before, on the night, before the contest, when Revati was deep in sleep, that time the neighbor had removed the pot in the night, and she submitted it very late to the for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her, and since she was regular, people, if someone is always regular to the contest, often people don't doubt that she can cheat. So over here also we see that since she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati plants deserved the first prize, and they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of plants. So at last, the judges decided, the authorities means the judges decided that Revati deserves first prize, because the plants were looking very healthy, and therefore Revati was very happy, not because she won the prize, but because she got back her plants that she always wanted, because she was missing her plants a lot. So in this lesson, we understood that honesty is the best policy. If you are honest, no matter what, you will win. If you are honest to yourself, no one will ever betray you, no one will make fun of you. So always learn to be honest, always, even though we often keep secrets, but if you have a very close friend, you can always share, you can always share some secrets with your parents, with your friends. In this lesson we understood that if even plants love music. When when we have heavy breeze, you all see plants moving here and there. So even plants enjoy, um, even plants love music. And if it is because of plants, when we see these wonderful flowers, our day gets brighten up. Okay, and it also gives us a small hidden message that don't cut trees, because of trees we get fresh air to breathe. So you all can grow small flowers around you, so that whenever you go, whenever you are worried, whenever you are stressed, you can just look at these beautiful flowers, and maybe, hopefully, for sure, you will have a good day. Okay, so Revati is trying to tell us that to be very honest, to be determined, to have your own hobby, work for your hobby. Okay, so that now during quarantine you all are doing nothing, I know you all are bored staying home, but you all can definitely work on with your hobby. You all can uh, um, you all can research more on your hobby. There are various online courses you can do, where you all can develop small steps in your hobby. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day, stay safe, stay healthy.